Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Profit Data for one more learning video tutorial. And today we are going to fetch premium trading symbol of option relevant to its last price without iteration, and we are going to do it in simple method without using any kind of a loop method. Okay. So previously I have done some of the video and I have given the code how you can fetch the premium based trading symbol. Okay, so I have shown particular things. Okay, it is like the code is available, so you can check it out. But here what I'm doing will be an efficient one. Okay, so we will gonna utilize the same method, but we will do it in easy way. Okay, now say suppose if I'm talking about I have done videos especially related to how you can generate the symbols. So I've shown in Android application how you can check for the trading symbol, especially like giving some inputs and can generate the n number symbols as per the required. Okay, so that is, you can check it out in this stuff. Okay, so now say suppose if you got this trading symbol, it's need to be, say suppose as I'm going with option selling. Okay, if you have seen in my shorts, my personal trades, I'm utilizing this hedge option selling, and for hedge option selling I must have the right need of a premium based trading symbol. Okay, so first of all, let's go with the pandas. Okay, so put pandas as PD. Okay, so only one library is enough, and what we are getting is the instruments, which is simple. I'm just reading that stuff. So it contains the columns and the data. I have done this explanation, a clear-cut explanation, and even giving the data, so you can this especially particular URL, what are the things it contains, so you can check it out that as well. Okay, so same things I'm gonna do with it. So what are the things we can check it out? So suppose if I go with certain step, the only trading symbol is enough to fetch what I'm looking for. Okay, one more thing which you can include is last price, which I'm doing it. Okay, so let's go with it. So what I have to say is HTTPS. Okay, it will be assets dot stocks.com. So they have included this market code. Okay, and then you have to say instruments, and you have to say exchange, and after that, that's it, complete .csv .zz. Okay, so here we are done. Okay, so I'm not printing anything as of right now. I just try to first sort it out this stuff. Okay, so in this case what happens, a symbol is necessary. So in symbol I have already shown in my previous video, or you can go with it. So first of all, I like to go with the bank nifty, then I need to give the format, which is year, which is 2024, then 7th July, and the expiry is Wednesday, so that will be 10th. Okay, so this is your first format. Now say suppose what I'm doing is, like, say suppose I required some of the format with the trading symbol and last price. Okay, so I need to check in some of the formats. So if you check the price, okay, the latest price, which is 52,696, so around 52,700 CEP I'm looking for. Okay, if I have to go with the buy, I will go with the C. If I have to go with the P, and it will get in inverse or vice versa with option selling. Okay, so I will just go with it. Okay, so first of all, we'll try with first thing is, like, we will give the phi number. In the sense, what happens, it will try to we are just giving as a string contents, as I have already given in my video. So what I have to do, I have to, what I'm getting is trading symbol. I'm looking for a trading symbol. So what I have to give, an instruments of an instruments Okay, now here I have to give trading symbol only. Okay, the column name is trading symbol. Now it's just a symbol, string dot contains, and in contains what you have to give, symbol. Okay, so this is the format you can give. Okay, even in symbol generator, your app, the Android application, you can give it this, you can generate and can check it out these values. So I'm gonna show you the same. So instead of last price, first of all we will check this certain things. So what we can do, say this particular trading symbol is contain what? Trading symbol. Okay, so here only I'm looking for is trading symbol in the last price. Okay, so unwanted things are not required, just this much will be enough. If our I have not mistaken and have not done anything error, it will give the required things. So let's go for it. Because this complete.csv contains a lot of information, a list, a number of lists. Okay, so that's the reason also while fetching it will give me like kind of a loading stuff or something. So I need to check what is the error. Nine. So trading symbol of trading symbol. The trading symbol I'm asking for. Okay, so maybe I think somewhere should I ask for the instruments also? Let me check. So I'm able to get the data, but I think this fifth line of mine, some error. Let me give this trade symbol. And see what can be done here. I will give one more option underscore type, which will be like, I want to fetch as a C. So same thing, I will go with it. Just give an ampersand. So let's see what happens. So here I will end this. Keep a separate instruments like that, and trading symbol, and here contains option underscore type. Okay, so let's see this. Okay, so I believe this is the reason. Okay, so string contains, at least I already told in my videos that at least 2 values you should try to give. Okay, so what it will do, it will try to fix certain things and it will give you what you're looking for. Okay, so now we will go with the same code. Now what we can do, we can put this the 5, and we can ask for the trading symbol only. Okay, trading. Okay, so it will give me the last price, trading symbol, and last price only. Okay, so you can check it out. Now I will do one thing, I will give it this in HTML. Okay, so we will view this in HTML. understand this better, so what we can do, HTML and option, let's go table.html, and here we say index equals false, and header also will keep as. So while reading, even if I want to read the HTML, there should be any extra header or index, so that is the reason. So it is already finished, so let us check. So just the sorting method which I just want to show. So what happens, it will 50,000. So just as per the visualization, I just want to say how it's working. Okay, so I believe it's start from 50,000 and it is ending around 59,500 or something. Okay, so like that it is going. So wherever the values are available, okay, it is going like that. Okay, so 58,500, 59,000. So after 59,500, what happens, if you try to get extra values or something like that, it will jump to other stuff or something. If it is gets to 6, so if it is starting as a 6 or something, then we won't get this proper stuff. Okay, so that is also important. And while sorting also we can set this stuff. So right now will try to check what can be done. So index is done. So one more sorting method, just a simple sorting method. So suppose what is the value? It is only 52,660. Okay, so I have to select at least the ATM value or ITM value. So I believe if you just give it as a 52, so I think at least it will give you the nearby ATM and ITM. Okay, so this is also the way which you can get to ATM. And then for for other stuff, if you want to go, then what you can do is just view the last price. That lower premium gets selected for that purpose. Okay, for margin setup. So if I give 52, what happens, I will get only related to 50,000. So start from 0 to 900 or something it will get. So at least 10 symbols you will get it here. So you can start from like that one. So 50,660 means 52,700. So at least this value you can choose for selling purpose, or otherwise you can just get below 250 or 211. So it depends on your level as well. Okay, if the level is around this one, okay, especially if it is going upwards, and the value which you took it, okay, say suppose if the value still not reached, and if it is the value as a strike price, okay, value if it contains as 52, 500, 400, these values of premium will be higher. If you go forward, will be lesser. Okay, so that is how you can choose. So whatever, say suppose if the market is not going above, okay, and if it is trading below, so you can choose 52, 500 or something. Okay, and 52, I mean above 52, 700 and 800. If it is not reaching that level and trading below, so you will be in a profitable. Okay, if it is exceeding, then you will be in a loss. So that is the reason you can check it out. So this is how you can select your first trading symbol for sell purpose. Okay, and the next we will go with our last price. So that is how you can choose. You can choose whether you want to go with a CEP. So exactly, if you have any other idea with option buying, you can consider adding this option C first, then P first, then you can check it out which one is good. Otherwise, if you are coming with the type of already a premium, and you just want to get with the last price, and you want to select that one symbol for buying purpose, for hedge purpose, that will give good relevant to your hedge selling. So what you can do, last price is given, so I think this is enough. So now last price is good that I'm looking for, and one more stuff I will give it here. and it is, I mean, you can still give one more this for especially for the last price. Okay, so what you can do, you just give it these things and say last underscore price, and here what happens, you just have to round this stuff. Okay, there is no string contents, so you need to deal with this stuff. Okay, the one of the best way, just round them. Okay, so at least you say, suppose if values are in decimal, if you're trying to match it out, okay, you won't get that proper value, and at least if you have to get with a greater than, lesser than, then you need to find it out. But it's an efficient way. Okay, just round them, so at least it will, like, contains, if it is like a 500 something point decimal or something, so what happens, it will round as just 500.0. Or if I'm asking for 10 rupees as a last price, so what happens, 10.9.2 point or something like it will give, and instead of that one, it will give you the fair value. So I'm going to show you right away, and I'm only get with the CEP, so I can still can go with the C. So I will check it out what particular this trading symbol which is containing as 9.0, so that you can check. So which trading symbol is containing this 9 point. Okay, we'll check it out. If you are not mistaken here, so I think I need to close it here. So what happens is, suppose this is important, so you need to check. See, if you 52,000, especially this C premium, it is not containing any of the higher values. So it starts from like 50,000 to any of the symbols which is containing 8.0, it should get to me. Okay, so that is, you can ask. If you say Control B, so at least 8.1 is there. So that is how the round is the perfect syntax to get what you're looking for. Okay, without iterations, it's only possibilities which you can get the trading symbol. So I got the trading symbol for for edging purpose, and if you ask for 9.0 also, it will give the value. Okay, so you can ask for that, and I think the only thing, if I ask for as a 10 rupees or something, it won't give me the value. Okay, because 10 point, at least it is either 11 won't be available. Okay, so that is also the reason. So as you can see, 11.1 is there, so I'm just rounding the stuff, so it will be like 11.0. so you can check it out according to premium as well. Okay, now it's depend how you're searching for it. Okay, especially suppose if you go to the lower side of the premium, you have to give n number of lot size. Okay, sometimes you won't get the lot size you're looking for, so either you have to choose nearby values, whichever you have been took it, whether it is high premium or at the money. Okay, sometimes to your fund, some things the proper trading symbol won't be available. Okay, so for that reason, you can utilize this stuff. You can, and I will include the symbol whichever I got. You can choose, can do some margin, and can get the stuff which I'm looking for. Okay, so I got my symbol. Now I'm ready to trade with this stuff. Okay, give the quantity, check with the ATM trading symbol, and combine with them, get your margin, go for trading purpose. Especially this stuff for option selling, so that you can utilize. What happens, this value which I just gave in this 10 is not available, so if it is asking for 10, it won't be available. So what you can do, you can lower the price. You can start from 11 rupees. If it is 11 rupees or 10 rupees or something, you can start with, you can go as a 1098. So if you just give the premium in if and else, what you can do, you can give a minus 1 value, so that is how it will get selected. And added quantity, at least it will give you you can search it out. If the premium is not available according to you, you can still check this stuff and can add the quantity and can go for your trading. Okay, so I think that will be the best way to get the proper fund required for this option selling. Okay, and particular trading symbol. Okay, so I must say, do try this stuff. I'm definitely gonna include in my application, Android application. So I must say, do try that earlier given Kiwi module for Android application. So do check it out. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. If you have any doubt regarding this video, please do comment below. If you have any other queries or requirements, please do contact me by WhatsApp. Thank you.